The cities of Daugavpils and Anykščiai, which are located on the border between Latvia and Lithuania, are connected by unique wetlands. The ponds on the territory of Latgali in Daugavpils and Green Pond in Anykščiai. Over the years, these areas and ponds became places where garbage was dumped, the shores of the ponds were overgrown with reeds and bushes, invasive plants spread out, and invasive species of plants and animals that spread uncontrollably began to pose a threat to the local flora and fauna. Through the efforts of Daugavpils City Municipality and Anykščiai District Municipality Administration, supported by Interreg Latvia-Lithuania Cross-Border Cooperation Program 2014 to 2020, in the border region, the management of natural ecosystems located in two cities, Daugavpils and Anykščiai, was implemented. A joint action plan was created which constantly monitors the fauna and flora of the wetlands, and local residents and visitors are introduced to the conservation of unique natural assets and their necessity. The wetlands in Daugavpils and Anykščiai are extremely important for the species of birds, invertebrates, reptiles, and amphibians that breed here. The Esplanade Wetland, which is located on the territory of Latvia, is an area of 12 hectares, which is declared a protected area in the territorial plan of the city of Daugavpils. Until recently, this area was very overgrown, unattractive, and littered with garbage. Birds that are specially protected in Latvia and the European Union can be observed in the Esplanade Wetland. Of these, 4 species are included in the Birds Directive. From the point of view of nature conservation, the most important bird species found in the territory are black-headed gulls, little bitterns, corncrakes, red-backed shrikes, and the blue-throats. The Esplanade Wetland is home for the green toad, common spadefoot, European toad, and other amphibian species. Several species of bats are also found in the area. According to the number of protected species found in the wetland, it surpasses many nature reserves in Latvia. The 25-acre Green Pond in Anykščiai is an artificial water body. Although the pond is not of natural origin, there is an abundance of wild flora and fauna. However, the territory of the Green Pond was full of various garbage: glass, plastic bottles, old car tires. In addition, the pond territory is furnished with residential houses and administrative buildings. It is surrounded by streets on almost all sides, which created problems for amphibians to migrate and enter the pond. Among amphibian species, such as the common frog and European toad, can be found in the territory. 7 species of birds can also be observed in the territory. The grass snake lives here, and 2 species of protected orchids grow in the flooded pond zone. The European medicinal leech found in the area is included in the European Habitats Directive. The project areas of Daugavpils and Anykščiai were cleared of garbage, excess reeds and bushes were removed, and invasive trees were cut down. The arrangement of these areas is important not only for nature conservation and the preservation of ecosystems. Daugavpils and Anykščiai wetlands have become attractive to local residents and city guests. Here, you can go for a walk, meet friends, engage in an active lifestyle, jogging, walking with Nordic sticks, or cycling. Lovers of more passive recreation can explore nature or simply enjoy a quiet rest while observing the landscape from observation decks, bridges, and man-made embankments. Kilometer-long wooden pedestrian bridges will be installed in the Esplanade wetland in the future, which will surround the entire area of the wetland. It is convenient to observe the animals and plants living in Anykščiai Green Pond territory. A pontoon walkway paved with planks and benches await visitors here. It is an attractive educational and recreational area for city residents and guests. Visitors can observe the species in the wetlands remotely thanks to the installed surveillance cameras. Videos from both areas can be seen on the screens installed in the premises of the Latgali Zoo and the Anykščiai Tourism and Business Information Center. Visitors and anyone interested can use information about both areas on what species live in them, what their role in the biological system is, and how to treat them. For the convenience of users, the same information can be accessed on mobile devices by visiting the project website www.urbanwetland.eu. The project is funded by European Regional Development Fund under Interreg Latvia-Lithuania Cross-Border Cooperation Program of 2014 to 2020. The total European Regional Development Fund funding for the project is €319,719.